There we go. This is Tycho. This is all the snow Chicago's gotten. Some people have gotten up to 6 feet. There's Mom. There's Dad shoveling. Oh, I'm in the way. There's Tycho wanting to make himself known. Oh, he just stepped on a shovel. Let's go, Tycho. Yeah, let's go in the snow. Oh, excuse us, Dad.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Where do you want to go, Tycho? Huh? Go over there. Tycho. This is a little rut we made. Tycho. Tycho likes this little hole. See, there he goes. He's having a good old time. He's a snow dog. He might have short fur, but he is a snow dog. Right, Tycho? Yeah, you're a good boy. What's going on? This is our tree. That is our other tree. This morning, we could barely get out. It is Wednesday. It is the first school snow day of the school year. We aren't sure if we're gonna have school next year or tomorrow. Next year, huh? Tycho, what are you doing? He's adventuring. He likes the snow. Having a good old time. How are you guys holding up?
Okay, we need some help though.
Sorry. Alright. Goodbye for now. Tycho? Hey, Tycho. Tycho. Tycho, sit. Alright. Say goodbye. Tycho. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Good boy.